Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about general term in binomial expansion, coefficient of x raised to n, and constant term, or you can say that term independent of x. Okay. So first, we already know that if I have an expansion, like uh, x plus y raised to n, x plus y raised to n, then its expansion like as nc0 x raised to n y raised to 0 plus nc1 x raised to n minus 1 y raised to 1 plus nc2 x raised to n minus 2 y raised to 2 up to ncn x raised to 0 y raised to n. So this is the expansion of x plus y raised to n. Let us. So can you tell me how many terms are given expansion? Then number of terms are n plus 1. So there are n plus 1 terms in given expansion. Okay. Is there is a question that find seventh term, find eighth term of given expansion. Okay. Let us say there are 10 terms. Let us say the given expansion has 10 terms. And we have to find sixth term only. Only sixth term. Seventh term. Okay. Or any terms in given expansion. So is I have to make whole expansion. ठीक है अगर मेरे को मान लो एक एक्सपेंशन है उसमें 10 टर्म है टोटल कितना टर्म है 10 टर्म है और मुझे सिर्फ 7 टर्म निकालना है तो क्या मुझे पूरी एक्सपेंशन लिखनी पड़ेगी क्या है ना मतलब इसको एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा फिर मैं बता पाऊंगा कि इसका 7 टर्म क्या है ये फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस से x plus y raised to 3 so this is nothing but a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus y cube ठीक है अभी तो छोटी सी एक्सपेंशन है if I find the third term, so what is the third term? First, second, third. This is the third term. So this is the T3, that is third term. Okay. If expansion is very large, let us say there are, for example, x square plus y raised to 100, and I have to find 10th term. I have to find 10th term. Then question arises: is I have to expand whole expansion? No. So there is a formula which is called general term by which we can find the any term of given expansion. Okay, so let us define general term. जनरल टर्म की हेल्प से वी कैन फाइंड एनी टर्म्स ठीक है अब इसमें ये नहीं कि हम पूरे एक्सपेंशन लिखते जाए नहीं और मुझे 7 टर्म चाहिए तो मैं 7th निकाल सकता हूँ 10th चाहिए तो 10th निकाल सकता हूँ ठीक है अभी जनरल टर्म होता क्या है जनरल टर्म ऑफ x plus y raised to n so this is tr plus 1 ncr x raised to n minus r y raised to r ncr x raised to n minus r y raised to r let us say you have to find a third term you have to find third term then what will you substitute here so you substitute r equal to 2 so this becomes 2 plus 1 which is nothing but t3 and here r is 2 please listen ठीक है here r is 2 uh, generally student put here 3 ठीक है this is mistake so we can substitute here nc2 because r is 2 okay and term is third so x raised to n minus 2 y raised to 2 ठीक है और ये तो हमें गिवन ही होगा n की वैल्यू है ना क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगी x भी गिवन होगा y भी गिवन होगा then you can find the value of any term okay so this is general term of given expansion okay let's do some question on the basis of this one okay so find 10th term in a plus b raised to 10 so how let us say this is 20 or change the question ठीक है so let us say this is x plus 1 by x okay x plus 1 by raised to 20 then we have to find 10th term we have to find 10th term so first compare this one by x plus y raised to n So this is x, this is y. What is x here? X is nothing but x. And what is y here? 1 by x. Okay. So write general term. General term is nothing but t r plus 1 ncr x raised to n minus r and y raised to r. This is general term. And we have to find what? 10th term. We have to find 10th term. So substitute r equal to 9. So 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. And here r is 9. NC 9. What is the value of x? X is nothing but x. What is the value of n? N is 20. Okay, so we can substitute here also. Okay, please look at this. NCR. What is n? N is nothing but 20. To 20 c 9. X raised to n minus r, which is nothing but and what is the value of n? N is nothing but 20 minus, and what is r? R is 9. Okay, and what is y? Y is 1 by x. R is 9. Okay, so solve this, then you get the value of 10th term. So 20 c 9 x raised to 11 or 1 by x raised to 9. Then you can cancel out. Here 2 is left, so this is 20 c 9 into x. तो आंसर क्या इस फॉर्म में मिल सकता है ना? या फिर वो क्या थोड़ा सा ऐसे भी लिख सकता है 20 फैक्टोरियल 9 फैक्टोरियल और 11 फैक्टोरियल, है ना? आई होप यू हैव लर्न दिस. एनसीआर इज नथिंग बट n फैक्टोरियल r फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r. तो इस फॉर्म में भी आंसर मिल सकता है, इस फॉर्म में मिल सकता है. ठीक है, तो like that you can find any term of given expansion. ठीक है, take one example more. Find fifth term of x square plus 2 by x square raised to 10. So you already know that there are 11 terms total, है ना? If I am talking about how many total terms are there, then you can say there are 11 terms. Okay, but we have to find fifth term only. ठीक है, so this one is nothing but x, this one is y. So first write general term. So first write general term. General term is nothing but t r plus 1 ncr. Okay, so first write formula. Okay, so this is nothing but ncr x raised to n minus r y raised to r. So what is the value of n? What is the value of r? For fifth term r should be 4. For fifth term r should be 4. And what is the value of n? N is nothing but 10. So 10c4. What is the value of x? That is x square. If I compare, okay, and what is the value or n minus r? N is nothing but 10 minus r. What is the value of y? That is 2 by x square raised to r. R is nothing but 4. So solve this and you get the fifth term. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. 4, this becomes x square 6 and 2 raised to 4 and x square raised to 4. So after solving this you get, this is nothing but 12, 2 raised to 4, x raised to 8. So here we can also cancel, here 4 is left. So 10c4, 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16 or into x raised to 4. So you can write like that. Okay, so this is the answer. So following this approach, you can find any term of given expansion. Okay, so let's move to the another topic. That one is term independent of x. Term independent of x, or you can say that constant term. Constant term, because variable can be changed in binomial expansion. So better you can say constant term, or sometime it is given term independent of x also, or constant term. Okay, so if I give an example like that, x plus 1 whole cube. So what is the formula of this one? A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Okay, so you will get like this. So here if I ask to you what is the constant term here, means जिसमें x ना हो, term independent of x, then your answer is 1. This is the constant term. This is the constant term because no variable with this term. So this is the constant term. So how can we find without expanding any binomial expansion what is the constant term of given expansion? Okay, so there is a technique. There is a technique. Oh, okay, if I write, okay, let us say for this, let us say we have a expansion x plus a raised to n. So can you tell me what is the general term of this one? What is the general term of this one? Then you said t r plus 1 ncr. ncr. What is x? X is x. X raised to n minus r, and y is nothing but a y raised to r. If I want general term, sorry, constant term in given expansion, then you will notice that if it will constant means no x is there. अगर ये constant term है means term independent of x है, तो obvious x तो होना नहीं चाहिए उसमें, सही ना, x तो होगा नहीं, वेरिएबल होगा ही नहीं. तो इस वेरिएबल को आप कैसे हटाओगे? तो सिंपल सी बात है, किसी भी वेरिएबल को हटाओ, इसकी पावर जीरो कर दो. तो इसकी पावर जीरो क्या होती है? 1 होती है, तो हट जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. जीरो नहीं कर सकते पूरे को, ठीक है. हाँ, उसकी पावर को जीरो कर दो तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली हट जाएगा. जैसे कोई भी वेरिएबल है y, उसको हटाना है तो y की पावर जीरो कर दो तो 1 हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही अगर आपको टर्म इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ x निकालना है, देन यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट n माइनस आर इक्वल टू 0. तो फॉर टर्म independent of x, put n minus r equal to 0. So this is the concept. From here you can get the value of r. Okay, so this is the concept. First find general term, then put power of x, power of variable equal to 0. From there you get value of r, then find the term. Okay, take an example. So we have x plus 1 by x raised to 10, and we have to find general term, sorry, constant term or term independent of x. Find constant term or term independent of x in given expansion. Okay, so first step is find general term. This is x, this is y, this is n. So find general term. tr plus 1 is nothing but ncr x raised to n minus r and y raised to r. But here student did a mistake. They substitute directly 10 minus r equal to 0 because they forget x is also in the denominator. So first collect all x, collect all x or all variable. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पे 10 सी आर लिखूंगा मैं, x की पावर 10 माइनस आर, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, x की पावर r हो जाएगा. अब इनका बेस सेम है और दोनों डिवाइड में, बेस सेम है तो पावर क्या हो जाएंगी, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी. ओके, देन यू गेट 10 सी आर x raised to 10 minus r which is equal to 10 cr x raised to 10 minus 2r, x raised to 10 minus 2r. Okay, now you can substitute 10 minus 2r equal to 0 for constant term. तो हम लिखेंगे for constant term or term independent of x टेन माइनस टू आर, मतलब जो x की पावर है उसको हम 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे और यहाँ से हम r की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. तो यहाँ से r क्या आ जाएगा 5. अब इसी 5 को हम यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, हमारा क्या आ जाएगा आंसर. तो यहाँ से देखो टी आर प्लस 1 था यानी कि 5 प्लस 1 आ गया, और यहाँ पे 10 सी 5 आ जाएगा, और ये तो वैसे भी 0 ही बन जाएगा. ठीक है, तो अपना आंसर कितना आ जाएगा 10 सी 5. और एक क्वेश्चन और पूछ सकता है, विच टर्म इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ एक्स, विच टर्म इज independent of x, then your answer is sixth term. Then your answer is sixth term. And term independent of x is, so answer is 10c5. And अगर पूछता है कि क्या है वो, then you said 10c5 और कौन सा term है वो, sixth term. Okay. Okay, take one example more on there. Let us say we have ax plus b upon x और रेज टू कुछ 7 है, ठीक है. Let us say, so we have to find term independent of x. Term independent of x. So first find general term. 7cr x. What is x? X is this one. 7 minus r. और ये अपना क्या, r. ओके. ऐसा करते हैं, इसको 8 कर देते हैं इस पावर को, ठीक है. यहाँ 8 आ जाए, ठीक है. ओके. तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस आई गेट, देखो ए एक्स की पावर ये समथिंग है ना, जैसे अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि ए और बी की पावर m है, देन यू कैन राइट एज a रेज टू m, b रेज टू m. ओके. देन यू गेट a 8 माइनस r, x 8 माइनस r, और यहाँ पे b रेज टू r अपॉन x रेज टू r. ओके. सो राइट 8cr a 8 माइनस r, कलेक्ट ऑल x एट सेम प्लेस, ठीक है. तो ये हो जाएगा x रेज टू 8 माइनस r और x रेज टू r जो डिनोमिनेटर में. तो बेस सेम है, पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी, है ना. बेस इज सेम, पावर विल बी सब्ट्रैक्ट. so x रेज टू 8 माइनस r माइनस r नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. so this becomes x 8 minus 2r, 8cr a raised to 8 minus r, b raised to r. Okay. Now we can find term independent of x. For term independent of x, eight minus 2r should be equal to 0. So 2r equal to 8. So r equal to 4. Now this r substitute here. Then you get the term. So this becomes t5 and r is 4. So 8c4 a raised to 8 minus 4 b raised to 4, and here it becomes 0. So this one is term independent of x, or you can say constant term. ठीक है. अभी डिपेंड करता है कि आंसर किस फॉर्म में दे रखा है. क्या आंसर इसी फॉर्म में दे रखा है, इसी फॉर्म में, तो ठीक है. नहीं दिया तो मे भी एक्सपेंड भी कर सकता है. n फैक्टोरियल r फैक्टोरियल इनटू n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल a रेज b रेज. अभी डिपेंड करता है कैसे उसने आंसर दिया है. So I hope all of you will understand how to find the general term and how to find the term independent of